This is the Tech Ranch.
This is your robot. This is your pet. This is your pet bot? Loona? Loona! Nah, this is your pet bot.
You know, we have a lot of things going on with robots here at CES, and some of the robots that we've been talking about actually help with the pets that you have. But, you know, if you don't want to feed a pet, if you don't want to have to take the pet out or whatever, there are options there too. And Loona is one of those options.
This is Loona. She's gonna be your new best friend. When Loona wakes up, she stretches and sneezes. You know, like a pet. Then she hears the door opening. It's you! Loona is excited and comes running to greet you. Pat her on the head. She loves that.
Yeah, bro, this is Loona, our AI petbot, and we hope Loona can be like a real pet in your family, and not only for kids but also adults, elder people, maybe even your pets at home. So it's just a great companion to every family member's curious. And then obviously Loona is super adorable. She can react to you. She can react to your touch. She loves to be touched. And react to your gesture. Later I will show you. And also your word, you can talk to her. You know, Loona loves people and she loves to talk with you.
Loona is an incredible pet who just happens to be a robot.
Loona,
She's very well trained and listens to both
Turn
vocal
around.
and gesture commands.
Loona, Loona.
And whatever she feels, she'll let you know with her eyes, ears, and legs.
If you start to communicate with Loona, she tries to continue the conversation. Yeah, so elder people is really a great companion. And also with the Loona Loona can speak 16 languages. You can switch languages in the app. And with the app, you can find.
Wait a second. Loona talks to you? I did not know this.
You know, if you talk to Loona, it's like a command. She will react to the command directly. If your word is longer or even more complex, the ChatGPT will respond to it. And our version of ChatGPT is child-friendly. So I will filter so much information or words, which is might not be very suitable for kids. So you won't worry about that. No problem. And so Loona can speak really. It's really cool. Yeah. And just like I said, she loves to talk to you. And with the app, you can say more games. Also, for example, we also have toys for Loona. She can do ball chasing or bull biting or hat clapping. She'll lift her hand to try to clip carrots. And if you're not around, for example, you're past a family at home, you can control it remotely through the app.
Worried about your home when you're away? Want your pet to have a friend when you're not home? Or just want some communication from afar? Your new best friend got your back.
Daddy, where are you coming home?
I'll be home at 6.
For example, Loona is charging. Oh, by the way, Loona can charge automatically. Means according to her settings, once she gets fully recharged, she will come out from the dock and to play with herself. And later, once the battery is going to die, she will goes back.
Well, I'm excited to see Loona actually work. I've seen so many videos, and I watched Loona react with people, and it's really, really endearing, actually. So let's put Loona down, and then let's see how Loona reacts here.
Because I'm a real customer of Loona, I have look at. And for example, I forgive her heart. She will give her heart back to you.
Okay.
Yeah. We can play a lot of games with her and even more games on the app. And through the app, you can say, you can also control her with Opti if we're not around.
I think Luna likes Bobby, our cameraman here, so
He's always trying to chase it.
yes, to take over that way. So, and how does Luna react to pets? Like if you have your own pet, like like a dog or a cat in your household, does Luna or react to other pets in the household as well?
Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Luna? Go grab it. She's also a master laser light chaser. I'm gonna catch you, laser light.
I had to say, the cat, the pets, the home really have more power. So it normally depends on your pet. If the pet you like her or wants to eat, it depends. It really depends.
And you can use it kind of. I mean, if you're not home, for example, there's a camera on Luna too, right?
Yeah, there's 2 cameras here. You can see. So with this camera will allow Luna to recognize who is the owner. She can obviously she can know where the people, but with this camera she can recognize high faces, which means she will react to differently, and she also will learn herself. For example, if you tell Luna something about yourself, your preference, your information, or remember everything, and the next time you ask her, she will know it. So the more time you spend with her, she'll know better. And the other camera allows Luna to detect the obstacles, so she can avoid them to navigate her home better. So in this case, once you control her remotely, for example, you are working in the office and your family are packed in the kitchen, you find in the kitchen, you can drive Luna to lead the dog, and find them in the kitchen and make a video call or voice call with them. I mean, you can hear from the other side. And also through the app, you can grab a video.
And it's actually not even that expensive, is it? What is the price point? How much does it cost?
And now you find in Amazon or our website like around $500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So $400, you can have yourself a pet that you never have to feed, you never have to walk, and you can interact and have a lot of fun with those. So I appreciate the time today. It's been great. And for Beck TV, this is Marlo Anderson.